guys, it's Brianna, and today I just got this squishy package and we had to go to the post office to get it, and this is from Germany. Yeah, so I'm gonna cover up this side because this has my address in it. So yeah, let's just get opening. Okay, so I have my handy dandy scissors here, and yeah, I'm just gonna cut it open. So oh my gosh, I'm so excited. Okay. It's my Modes4u package! Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm just about to put it away. So they gave me this like really cute bag and I'm gonna open it. Okay. This bag is so cute. Anyways. Oh my god, my tiger bun's inside. Ah! Okay, so they gave me this as an extra, and it's like this really cute, like Christmas sort of looking tape. Ah, so cute. Thank you so much. And okay, and this is the business card. Okay, so here's the squishy. And I'm so excited. Okay, so it's like sort of squished in the packaging, but this is what it looks like. And I got the tiger bun, and this is what it looks like on the back. And I give it a squish. And this is really slurrizing. Oh my gosh. Okay, so let's take it out of the packaging. Oh yeah, and this is by BYEEEEEEE. And the back says, "These yummy scented animal buns have been baked with lots of care for you to squeeze and smell. Please do not eat them." And okay, they seal this so tightly. Oh my gosh. Oh, so sticky. Okay. Okay. This is so cute. Okay, and it comes with this tag. Okay, and this is what it looks like. It's really, really cute. And I give it a squish. So slurrizing. Oh my gosh. This is the, what?
What does it smell like?
Oh yeah, my sister's here. She just didn't want to be in the video. What? It smells so like sweet and like butter. Yeah, sure.
Oh.
Yeah, it's nice, right? I know, it's so squishy and it's like sort of crushed, but it's still really cute. And I give it a squish here. So squishy. Oh, just. This is so surprising. Oh my gosh. And this is the BYEEEEEEE sign on the back, licensing. And yeah, so this is the tag, acrylic tag that it comes with. Oh, someone just sent me an email. Okay. So this is what it looks like. And it's got a golden ball chain and this phone plug. And this is what it looks like. Oh, it's like sort of stretchy, sort of like bendy. And okay. So I'm just gonna skip to when I get it on. So yeah. See? Okay. So I attached it, and here's the tag. Very, very cute. And all of like the acrylic tags are very like cheeky and happy. And I'll give it a squish. I love like squishing the ears, so cute. And I'll give it like an epic squish. Whoa, look at those finger marks. Oh, these are so cute. And here's the back, and it's like really, really textured. And yeah, this is the tiger bun. And I hope you guys enjoy. Like, comment, and hit that subscribe button for this really, really cute tiger bun. Bye!